Few species provide as many vital ecological benefits to nature and human survival as the incredible parrot. By actively regulating natural forest environments, it ensures that wilderness thrives in permanent ecological equilibrium. Across vast tropical expanses, this remarkable animal acts as a primary driving force for forest regeneration. Through specialized foraging habits, they disperse diverse seeds across fragmented landscapes, healing damaged ecosystems. As true pioneers of ecological succession, they select hardy native tree seeds that naturally resist extreme weather events. By planting these resilient varieties, they fortify vulnerable habitats against climate change impacts. Healthy forests engineered by these avian architects directly protect global freshwater resources by stabilizing mountain soils. Their daily activities prevent catastrophic erosion and maintain pure watershed flows for human populations. The wild parrot functions as an irreplaceable keystone species that underpins complex biodiversity networks across the tropics. Without their continuous ecological engineering, these vital tropical habitats would slowly collapse into monotonous wastelands. Scientific monitoring of foraging patterns reveals how effectively they control agricultural pest populations without chemical intervention. By targeting destructive insects, they shield vital food crops and safeguard human agricultural yields. Their rigorous seed selection promotes genetic diversity within aging forest canopies facing unprecedented environmental stressors. This genetic variety is essential for trees to adapt rapidly to shifting global weather patterns. When foraging on tough pods and hard nuts, they inadvertently prune canopy vegetation to maximize sunlight penetration. This natural pruning stimulates vigorous undergrowth growth, which dramatically increases overall forest carbon absorption. Climatic stability relies heavily on the carbon sequestration capacity of ancient, deeply rooted forest ecosystems worldwide. By expanding these dense tree networks, they directly contribute to global atmospheric carbon regulation. Every flock of the nomadic parrot operates as an aerial reforestation unit spanning hundreds of square miles. They cross geographical boundaries, bridging isolated forest patches and restoring vital ecological connectivity. Researchers studying these intelligent birds gain crucial insights into avian cognition and environmental adaptation strategies. This invaluable scientific data helps human conservationists design better frameworks for combating global climate crises. The hollows they excavate or modify in mature trees eventually provide essential nesting sites for numerous other animals. By creating these microhabitats, they support an entire community of dependent forest-dwelling species. Their energetic presence in the canopy accelerates nutrient cycling by dropping fragmented organic matter onto the forest floor. Soil microbes quickly process this material, enriching the earth for subsequent generations of flora. Natural wildfire risks are significantly mitigated in areas managed by these active canopy foragers and seed predators. By reducing dry understory accumulation, they help prevent catastrophic blazes that release stored carbon. The ecological footprint left by the resilient parrot is a testament to nature's intricate balancing mechanisms. Their daily survival routines actively maintain the atmospheric and terrestrial conditions that humanity depends upon. Long-term climate resilience depends on maintaining high biodiversity levels within the planet's remaining tropical rainforest reserves. These brilliant birds serve as living anchors, keeping complex food webs intact and fully functional. Agricultural buffers adjacent to wild habitats benefit immensely from the natural pest control services provided here. Farmers enjoy reduced crop losses thanks to the dietary preferences of these intelligent canopy inhabitants. Botanists frequently trace the expansion of valuable hardwood tree species directly back to their caching habits. They bury surplus seeds in fertile soil, inadvertently planting the massive carbon sinks of tomorrow. Hydrological cycles remain stable because the dense canopies they cultivate intercept heavy tropical rainfall efficiently. This natural canopy protection minimizes ground impact, preventing flash floods and protecting human settlements. Observing the wild parrot reveals a sophisticated masterclass in ecosystem engineering and environmental stewardship. Their presence signals a vibrant, functioning biosphere capable of buffering against modern ecological pressures. Global climate regulations are bolstered whenever these birds successfully regenerate degraded lands into lush forests. Their tireless dispersal efforts transform barren earth into carbon-absorbing botanical sanctuaries. Human scientific endeavors in biomimicry and conservation biology draw profound inspiration from their complex social structures. Understanding their habitat management techniques offers sustainable models for human environmental management. Ecosystem collapse is actively averted through the tireless, everyday actions of these remarkable feathered gardeners. They mend fragmented environments, ensuring that natural resources remain abundant for future generations. The interconnected web of life in the jungle relies entirely on the successful pollination and seed dispersal roles performed here. Every single plant species they touch contributes to the broader planetary climate defense. Protecting the magnificent parrot is therefore not merely an act of wildlife preservation, but a necessity for human survival. By securing their future, humanity guarantees the stability of the global life support system. As ambassadors of the tropical wilderness, they remind us of the profound interconnectedness of all living organisms. Their ecological contributions span from microscopic soil enhancement to macro-level global carbon regulation. Future generations will rely heavily on the climate buffers currently maintained by these intelligent canopy guardians. Their ongoing environmental engineering offers a powerful, natural defense against runaway global warming trends. Conserving their natural habitats directly translates into cleaner air, safer water, and a more stable global climate. We must recognize and value these brilliant creatures as essential partners in planetary conservation. The extraordinary legacy of this species proves that every animal plays a defining role in Earth's survival. Their contribution to ecosystem health and climate resilience remains an irreplaceable wonder of the natural world. Join the channel for more interesting facts.